Ready to level up your Adobe Animate skills and create buttons that actually do something? Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new ActionScript 30 file. This is where the magic happens. Now, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on your stage. This will be the base of your button. Customize its color and shape to match your design. Select the rectangle, right-click, and choose Convert to Symbol in the dialog box. Name it My Button and select Button as the type, then click OK. Double-click the button to enter its timeline. You'll see the up, over, and down states. The up state is how the button looks normally. Insert a keyframe in the over state by right-clicking and selecting Insert Keyframe, then change the color or appearance of the button. This is what users will see when they hover over it. Repeat this for the down state, inserting a keyframe and changing the button's appearance. This is what happens when the user clicks. Go back to your main timeline. Click on the plus icon to create a new layer, and drag it below the button's layer. This layer will house the code. Now, select the first frame in your new layer, open the Actions panel, and assign a function that executes some function when the button is clicked. Press Ctrl-Enter to test your movie. You should see your button change states when you hover and click. You've just created an interactive button in Adobe Animate.